What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about how to really start an Amazon account. Pretty much, I had a few emails, people asking me how to actually start the account. So the first thing I want to let you know that it's going to take at least $40 to start the account. You're not going to have to pay that $40 until 2 weeks after you really start the account. But I would advise you just go ahead and pay it up front. For me, I don't even feel the $40 fee a month that comes out of my account because I literally buy enough stuff where it covers that fee for me and I still make profit. I've been doing this for a while, guys, and yeah, I've been doing okay. I sold something. My last time I made a video, I sold something pretty big, so if y'all just stay tuned and maybe my next video I'll show you what that was. It was pretty crazy, something I talked about. I think I bought it for like $15 or $10. It was in the previous video, and it sold yesterday, matter of fact, for like $300 or something. If you follow me on Instagram, maybe you can see what it was. But anyways, I ain't gonna take too much of your time. I pretty much want to show y'all how to start an Instagram account. Y'all bear with me. I was in the middle of doing a bunch of packing and boxing up and just work. I'll let y'all watch me work. It don't stop. Some bags in the corner. Some boxes over there. Y'all see my cat over there playing. Alright, guys. This is tiring, guys. I'm not gonna make y'all sit through me peeling all these labels. Might want to get you a tool that helps you peel labels. It's definitely gonna come in handy. We'll peel some more labels, and I'll get back with you a little bit later, okay? Yeah, I know. I said I wouldn't make y'all go through this, but just ran across this. I don't know if you can see that, but it cost me $5. And it's orange, so I think I got it for half off, or pretty sure it's 50% off or 75% off or something. But when you scan it, I want y'all to see this. Again, I got 2 of them. There was 3. I left one behind because it wasn't as new as these were. But I don't know if the phone's gonna zoom in or not. But $70 is what it's selling for. $70. You can't beat that. So my profit is going to be about, after the fees, their fees like $15. My profit's going to be like $50. I could throw this on eBay, but I already have enough stuff on eBay, and I want to get my sales up on Amazon. So I think I'll just take the $50 profit instead of the probably $60 profit it would have been on eBay. But I just wanted to show you guys that there's certain things you get excited about when you're doing this, and this is one of them. You know, there's a few more products that I did find. I might go through and show you some of them, but I might put that on a whole nother video so I don't waste your time on this one. But anyways, oh, it's great, man. It's great. I love it. I love it. Okay, guys, here we go. See, if I pull it up on my computer, I was going to show you on the computer how to do it, but I don't feel like logging out of my Amazon account in order to show y'all how to do that, because why? I just really don't feel like doing it. Because you can do it from your phone. That's how I initially did it. And I just have too much crap on my phone to log out of Amazon, and it's just too much. But anyways, so yeah, don't mind my wrestling in the background. I'm a big wrestling fan. So pretty much you're going to go to the Amazon.com, whatever, it doesn't matter. Just go to Amazon.com. And then when you go to Amazon.com, you're going to see in the top left-hand corner, the tabs. Just click on the little tab, and then just go all the way down until you find see all programs and features. Once you find see all programs and features, just continue going down until you find the sell on Amazon. Bam. And once you click on sell on Amazon, it's going to tell you about all the great things Amazon can do for you. And then simply click start selling. That's it. Very simple. Very, very simple. And once you do that, it'll start asking for your email account, your address, and all that. It's easier if you already have an Amazon account or Amazon Prime account because they already have a lot of information saved, so they'll probably approve your account immediately. I personally got my account approved kind of quickly my first time. My second account, I believe, got it approved instantly as well. I hear about some people that it takes about 3 or 4 days, some people 2 or 3 weeks. But once you go through it, they're going to ask you all your information. They're going to ask, of course, email, passwords, all that good stuff. They're going to ask you to link a card, a bank account, because obviously you need a bank account so they can put money into your account. As far as getting paid on Amazon, first thing you do need to know, you're going to get paid like every 2 weeks, so it is like a normal check. Your very first payment may take like 4 weeks to come because they want to make sure you're building up inventory, and just in case if anything goes wrong, they have enough money in order to cover them if you bail out or if you send bad products in or anything happens and they need to give the customers money back. So I've been doing it for a while. I want to say a while now, but really going kind of hard since the past few months, and it's not even as hard as I want to. Again, I work a full-time job, so on my days off I usually go in, and one day I'll rest, one day I'll do a bunch of sourcing. So that's pretty much how you get started on Amazon. If you want to find out how to start scanning items, you can click one of the links below and find out another of my videos, and you can actually see me going out and finding certain items. One of the items that you'll see me find is one of the items that was like 15 bucks and I made like $300 profit. That was probably honestly my biggest thing. One last year I think I found a painting for like $20 and I sold it for like a few hundred, but I don't know. But there's just a few items making a mess like this, for example. I showed you earlier in one of the videos. I don't know if I linked the same video, but this right here cost me $5, but it's potential to sell for $70. Of course I'm gonna say potential because it's not guaranteed to be sold yet, but again, that's a chance I'm willing to take. I'm willing to use $5 to see if it's gonna make me 70. I think my profit would have been 55 though after they take their fees. Now it's time for me to go, but as you can see, I personally have a bunch of stuff that I need to send in, and I'm about to do a little tutorial on how to do all that in another video. So if you want to catch up with me, just click on another link below. And I'm telling you guys, man, take a good chance on doing this. It's really, really profitable. I can kind of see a difference the weeks that I go hard and the weeks I didn't. There was like a week where I really didn't do it at all, maybe like a 2 or 3 week period where I thought my account was going to really pretty much go away, so I didn't do any shopping, I didn't do anything. And that check from that week, you can really, really feel the difference. My checks are pretty decent. I mean, I want to say I make what I would say a fast food restaurant make. That's how I go source. But my next check is almost going closer to the hundreds, almost $1,000 mark, and I've never had that before. Yesterday was my biggest day in sales. Like I said, it was like $400 something, and that's just because of that one clock. But I do have a lot of good days. I'm starting getting away from buying like dollar items just to make $1. Now I'm buying dollar items to make $20, $30. I'm buying $5 and $6 items to make $20 and $30, $40, $50. But if you want to learn some more of that stuff, just follow me in my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and enjoy.